Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock apps on your iPhone on the latest version. This is on iOS 18. Now this has changed completely from what it used to do before. Apple has finally made it easy to lock any apps on your iPhone with the latest update. So if you haven't updated, update to iOS 18 in order to get this feature. So let's go ahead and lock an app. But before you lock an app, you want to make sure that you're using Touch ID or Face ID. So make sure you enable that by going to your setting, and then you're going to go to either Face ID or it's going to say Touch ID and passcode, and make sure basically you have this set up, which will make it easier to lock and unlock apps. So once you have this set up with we're going to go ahead and show you how to lock an app. So let's go ahead and lock an app. For example, maybe I want to go ahead and let's go ahead and lock here the Hulu app on the phone. You can use any app, doesn't matter. You press and hold just like that. And all you do is say require Face ID. So when you say require Face ID, basically you lock it so that if you give the phone to someone, they won't be able to unlock it without the Face ID. So if you lock it here, and it's been locked now, it has a check mark up here. Now if I move my face away here, let's see if I try to unlock it. As you can see here, it won't open. It needs my Face ID, which is great because now it's locked. And if I want to unlock it, I look at it, try it again, and it opens up for me. And you can do that for any app as well. So again, all you do is a long press and hold on the latest version of that, and then you're going to say require Face ID. Require Face ID. There's another option where you can actually hide it. So I'll show you what happens when you do that. So what happens is hides the app on this special folder. If you go into the very last page in the app library, there's a new folder called Hidden. And if you want to unlock that, first of all, you have to use Face ID. And then when you open it, you're going to have to unlock it as well with Face ID. So that kind of locks and hides it. So if you just want to lock it, keep it there, you can do the first step where just require Face ID. Or then if you want to lock it and hide it, just use that require Face ID and hide as well. So that's how you do it. Again, really simple and easy to do. Now, if you wanted to ever unlock it or remove the lock, you long press and hold and just simply click on don't require Face ID, which will verify your Face ID in order to remove the lock. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button. If you're looking to do it on a previous version, I'll leave a link as well on older version on how to lock apps. So we'll see you guys next time.